to take part in something as big as this and be able to join in with everything that's happening.
Lively, brilliant, beautiful playing. They all loved it. You know what I mean? I was really happy to be here. The kids look so excited.
Everybody playing all together, fun songs and loads of different instruments.
It's just amazing. Seeing all these fantastic children are just fantastic. Love it, love it, love it.
It's been really fun because we've been able to stand up and get involved.
Nice seeing your family member, and I think it was quite nice for your family member to see you in the crowd as well. Everyone's just happy, smiling.
The big gig is amazing. The experience like they never would get into.
Oh, it was lovely. It was really good. Very talented kids.
I really enjoyed it. Great experience.